Hi everyone, I've got a Church Auris here on a 2015 plus. It's got a tyre pressure warning light on. We've had two new tyre spotting on this, as well as the tracking. Now you see there, that's the warning light. That would come on basically when you drive. Now to reset it, it's quite a simple job on this. If you open the glove compartment, on the inside, I will certainly put the lights on if I can. Give me 1 second. Show you where the button is. Now as you can see right on the inside, there's that set button there. So all you got to do, you got to press the button for 3 seconds till it beeps. It's flashing now. That's it. That's all you got to do on your car. Once you've done that, it'll reset the tyre pressure warning light, and that's it. You only need to reset it when the tyre pressure is low, or you've had the tyres replaced, or say for instance you've moved the wheels combination. So that's when you reset the tyre warning light on this. To check where the pressure is as well, usually it's on the door pillar here. As you can see, that's the tyre pressure, that's the tyre size there, that's the pressure. That's what you've got to put in. If it's a load with no load and everything else as well. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.